our mother, and we are swimming in excitement right now because we don't know what's inside this. So let's unbox it. So this is the box. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, let's unbox it with this blade. I'm really swimming in excitement right now because I really don't know what's inside this. I want to know what's inside this. This is a lot of work. You want sit there. It's an oil dispenser, guys. So it's like 2 boxes or something. Yeah, it's 2 boxes. Jeez. Okay, the first one is super cute. Oh my god, guys. So the first one is this one, and it is looking super cute. I don't know what to say, but this is glass and it's looking, oh my god, it's so cute, super cute. And there is another box that we have to try, and I am so excited for that. Okay. So we are using 3 languages in this channel, I guess. One Hindi, one Malayalam, and one English. Yeah. It's fun. So guys, that is our oil dispenser and it's super cute. And we are going to post an review about this after using it, and we also have another product that we will review you, that we also bought it with this, and unfortunately we already opened it, so we cannot show you guys how it is. So we are also posting another video soon, so wait for it, guys. So bye bye.